just a day after the beer festival originate for the snail, but then they hijacked all the party, and yesterday removed the beer festival equipment. Today everybody shifting out. So cute. So the story of beer can attract snail and drown them is actually a hoax. So proven fact already. So if you want to see, you can backtrack the video. So see, they are moving out. Alright, so that's the end of the episode for the experiment on this snail catching tools, or yeah, science, whatever you can call it lah. Okay, so have a nice day. Today's Friday, and wish everyone a very good weekend. Bye bye.